Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Weyburn, Saskatchewan, a vibrant city in the southeast corner of the province. The first settlers arrived here in the 1890s when the railway opened up the area. Weyburn's name comes from the Scottish words Weyburn, meaning small creek, a nod to the nearby Souris River and the streams that flow through the area. Early on, the city became a major railway hub, and its location made it an important center for agriculture and trade. Today, it is known for its strong farming roots and thriving oil industry. Many heritage buildings and landmarks still highlight the community's rich history. The surrounding prairies and river valley provide beautiful scenery for both residents and visitors. With a population of just over 12,000, Weyburn offers a unique balance of small-town warmth and city conveniences. Whether you are here to explore its history, enjoy the outdoors, or just take in the local charm, Weyburn has something special to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Weyburn, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!